In 2018, the MX3D robots accomplished an incredible feat by 3D printing a 12-meter long steel bridge. And the team decided to take it one step further. They teamed up with Lenovo and a group of renowned data scientists to develop the MX3D Smart Bridge. By applying innovative camera vision algorithms, the team teaches the bridge sensor system to understand what is happening. On the ThinkPad P53, they run the digital twin, an autonomously improving model of the bridge, allowing for the development of a data-centered design language for 3D printed structures. After the bridge is placed, the citizens of Amsterdam will gain access to the data and visit the digital twin online.